Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing some hard gel nails, and I'm going to be testing out again the LGNpro by Lisette Cruz. I really liked using her products last time, so I wanted to give them a shot again. Even though I didn't like the color I used last time, I'm going to be using the True Nude today, and that one I actually really loved. So before application, of course, you need to prep your nails. At first I used a dehydrator, then I went in with a primer. And now I'm using her rubber base, and I'm just applying this to all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. When using hard gel, you want to use a slip layer first, so I'm taking a small amount on my brush, placing that on my nail, and letting that even itself out a little bit. I'm then going to take a larger bead and place that near the cuticle without getting too close to where it touches. Sometimes you can't help it, especially if you're not used to using hard gel, so just do the best that you can and clean it up before you cure it. But I'm just going to work my brush down my nail and build up that structure. You're going to cure it in the lamp then for at least 45 seconds, 30-45 seconds, so it all freezes in place. And then you can go back in with another bead if you feel like you need to add more to the apex area or anywhere that looks like it needs a little bit more product.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. Misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. Misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Once I've applied all of the gel and I cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, I take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and just clean up the sticky layer on top of all the nails. Now I'm going to go in with my Cure Sky e-file, and then I'm going to start to file and shape these. I used my e-file basically for the cuticle area and just kind of get the bulk of the nail down, but I like to really smooth things out and find the finer details with an actual hand file. I just feel like you have more control with a hand file sometimes, so I do go in with that afterwards. For the design, I'm going to be using this Burry nail polish collection that was sent to me from Amazon. They were so kind enough to send me a handful of their polishes to test out, and I've been dying to use all of these really pretty colors, so I thought it'd be fun to do a gel polish ombre. I'm starting off with the pink, and then I'm going to go down with blue, green, and then the orange color, and then I'm just going to blend these all in together. I'm going to do the same thing on all of the nails, and then we're going to go in with a design on top. So we don't mess up any of that color, I'm going to go in with a velvet matte top coat and apply that on all of the nails and cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I recently went to Traverse City in Michigan, and everything in Traverse City is cherry related, cherry this, cherry that, so I was inspired to do some 3D cherry nail art. First, I'm going to go back in with that reddish orange color that I used in the gel polish ombre, and I'm going to outline the cherries. Once I get that to where I like, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Taking some of that neon green, I'm going to start to draw out the stems here. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure for about 30 to 45 seconds. In my last video, or one of my recent videos, I did swatch all the colors that the Burry store from Amazon sent me. So if you want to watch that video, I will link it in the description box below. But yeah, now I'm just going to go in and start adding dimension and really letting these cherries come to life. When you're trying to make something look realistic and 3D dimensional, things like that, it is really a lot of just going back and forth with a bunch of different colors and adding shading and deepening up certain areas, blending in certain areas. That's what I'm using the top coat for, is just to kind of blend in the colors a little bit more. So I know it looks a little bit tedious. I am not really an artistic person, and I didn't find this too hard to do. So I know that if I can do it, you most certainly can do it. It just takes a little time. You just gotta be patient, I guess, and just keep doing it until it looks right. I've really wanted to do like a Louis Vuitton set for quite some time now, but honestly it took me forever to find the actual stickers. I don't know why they were so hard to find, and I didn't even get the color that I wanted. I would really like white or something, but I ended up finding gold, and I think I had black too, but I thought gold would look a little bit better. So I'm going to go through and add some Louis Vuitton onto my nails, and then I'm going to add little stars to bring this set all together. For the 3D effect on the cherries, I'm just going to take some 3D nail art gel and placing that on the cherries. I think I did a really good job on these. I was really happy with how they turned out, although the shading is a little bit off in certain positions and certain lighting. You can't really tell, but when you're looking at it straight on, it does kind of look like I overdid the white part. But overall, I think they look really cute and I'm really happy with them. So you guys, this here is the finished look. I am in love with them. I think they look so cute. I'm so happy with the cherries, and everything I think just came together really nicely. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and how they turn out. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!